Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday. I'm at the park today. I was actually out doing a little bit of fishing, which was, no bites, but it happens. So this week's channel shout out, I already drew last week, but I preempted that video, I preempted that video to do the burn for Bill Melton. And, some of you didn't know who he was or subbed to his channel, It is what it is. I felt like I had to do something for him, so I did that video. So everything I shot from a week ago, I'm going to put in this video. But he was this week's channel shout out. But he still has videos up. I mean, he's no longer with us, but he still has videos you can go check out, kind of get an idea of who he was. And I believe his GoFundMe is still going, which I'll link below as well. So rest in peace, Bill, still. Let's get the burn going. And yeah, so happy Friday. Alrighty. Before we get to the shout out, let's, I got some mail call items. I got some new stickers. I got a note. I will read that in a bit. I got one from Carolina Chris Outdoors. So I guess we're doing some bonus shout outs. Awesome. Got 2 stickers. Let's see. Another note. Right on. I'll be reading that. Oh, cool. He sent me another Made in the USA sticker. This is from Bruce Fab Creations. Right on. Oh, he's got a cool sticker. Look at that. The camera will focus on it. Come on, camera. Yeah, the setting's right. It's just, my camera focus is not great. That is a cool sticker. Oh, he sent me 2 of them. Sweet. That is really cool. Thank you, Bruce. I love that. That's awesome. Those are going on the board. I'll read the note in a bit. And last but not least, trying to do this quickly. This gentleman has an Instagram page, which I said I would link, which I will. I'll link his Instagram so you guys can go check it out. I'm not on Instagram. I couldn't figure out how to post anything, so I just kind of gave up on it. Bushcraftnbaseball. That's a cool sticker too. Awesome. Oh, did he send me 2? Oh, he did. Cool. Sent me 2. Rock on. Let me get those on the board real quick. Alright. Stickers are in place. Thank you, gentlemen. Very cool. Bushcraftnbaseball, Carolina Chris, Fab Creations. So shout outs for them. We'll get to this week's shout out. Of course, last week was Wandering Beast. Oh, one happened to fall out. So, oh, cool. Bill Melton, which you can't see because the print is too tiny. Bill has a GoFundMe right now for his medical costs. Allie Carroll and Redneck Renegade have been doing updates videos, which is very appreciated because he's still fighting a good fight. So I think today's Fatwood Friday will be dedicated to our brother Bill Melton, and of course the whole description box will be full of links. So let's get right to the Fatwood fire. Alrighty, you might notice I keep my Fatwood piles kind of small, but that's mainly because I don't want to waste it. It's a valuable resource, so. Got the old cutting board still. Got the Light My Fire God Spark. I actually just bought this scraper, palm scraper, that fits right inside. So I've just been carrying them together now. Took the paracord off. So. Probably shouldn't do it over my haversack. There we go. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Check out Bill Melton's channel if you'd like. Maybe watch a couple of his vids. If you can donate anything to his GoFundMe, even if it's just $5, it would be appreciated. And have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one.